Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I have to take a fast trip out in the lunch break at work, because I haven't been showing you guys the latest car we picked up. I picked up a 2006 Lexus RX400 hybrid. Of course, when I buy it, it's not perfect. Have some rusty things here, also more on the back, just a little, but actually the most of the car is actually very okay. I haven't cleaned it properly. I should vacuum it and everything, you see. It's not clean up. I taken off the worst dirt from other places in here. But it needs a proper vacuuming and cleaning up more. Have a bad up there. Yeah, it has some lights is not working in here, so I don't see that. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a light bulb behind here. I think so. So I have to check up. Shouldn't be too difficult to take out and check. Everything with filters and oil and things, I think I have to just change and check up. The timing belt is not done to be doing right away. It's drive okay, but the handbrake have a MOT failure on the handbrake, so I have to check up that and maybe buy some parts. And I have some rust in the rockers. That is too much, and some other small things there. So it's going to be different things to do with this car too, but at least this car is big enough so we can use it. I was hoping to film it one evening here, but this week is raining and raining and raining. For the moment it was good weather, so I'm just running out just to show you guys fast. The space is okay. You can sit, walk way behind. The seats are not ruined. This car was very cheap, so I can buy it, and the plan now is we are going to use it to driving to basket matches and driving back and forth with the family a little. And my oldest boy is going to use it driving to school. You have to drive 3 days a week. You have to drive very long. 2 other days he luckily is out in a praxis. So, but he can put away the Celica for the winter, and he can drive this Lexus to school. I like him to sit a little safer up in this one, a hand 4-wheel drive and everything. So that's good. The space is a lot of space. Most of the interior are nice. It's one little scratch here. There, I had to go out and help my son since he had blown a tire on the Celica and and some other things yesterday evening, so I have tools in the back. The thing standing over here, previous owners say you have it somewhere, so you just have to look for it. But the car is in okay condition compared to what I paid for it. It's in good condition, but of course it needs some cleaning and things. I have electric closing on the back. So 2006 model, 3.3 liter V6 with hybrid 2 electric engines. Also have to see this need to be polished up, and I need to put in new oil and filters and things, and maybe put on a LED bulb. See, this one is a little in, so to see why. Yeah, it's going to be more about this. It's just a quick update here now. I have some more ideas and things. If you have some ideas, please just write it in comments. Please follow the channel. There's a lot of other Toyota and Lexus stuff, and a lot of other cars and car meets. So please start following, and please put a like if you like cars like this, and if you have comments, if you have things you would tell about them, or things I should check, or things you would like to know. So please come back. Thank you.